Miles.
Yes, how are you?
Ah, hey man. How many years has it been?
Yeah, it's about 10 years now, I guess.
I think it's more than that, my friend. I think it's,
Yeah.
I think you lost count 10 years ago. It's more like 18, maybe 16. In Las
No, no,
Vegas.
no.
Didn't I meet you in Las Vegas?
No, it's Dallas.
So tell me something, man. I had no idea that you were flourishing so well. I know you've been in the room since like the very beginning with me.
Yes, I think it's since about 2011. Yeah, that's trading is totally a different field as to what I studied. So
What did you study?
computer science,
Oh, okay. Yeah,
programming.
and you've heard me say a million times that engineers struggle at trading probably more.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I did my part of struggling at the beginning, but
Yeah, right. So tell me what are you trading now? Like what is your market that you like?
yeah, 30-year bonds. If I finish that before 8 o'clock, CL comes in at about 8:30, up to 30 minutes, until the regular market opens. My weakness at the beginning, it was pulling the trigger, right? Most of the ideas I got is from you, not the other people. The first one was power of quitting. In my beginning times, during the day and the morning, I will do good, but then I lose it all by trading more. That's I. This one came and helped me a lot. We have to stop when we reach a certain goal for the day or the week or the month, right? That's that's one big thing. And then more than the indicators, your teaching, so your preachings helps me a lot. One is building confidence, having trust in what you are doing or what I am doing. The biggest hurdle or biggest struggle is when there is a losing trade, how do we take the next trade, right? If you don't trust in what you are doing, you can't proceed there, right? You preach a lot on that. Um, and then other important thing is finishing the day positive. No matter how small it is, we have to try and achieve that.
Good.
And that, if I do good in the first 3 or 4 days of the week, I give Friday as a present to me. I don't trade on Friday.
Nice.
Huh?
Like that.
And then I slowly I turned into very minimalist trader. I do it if I positive or whatever, we finish it and I am out in the first, if I start 7:20, 9:30, 10 o'clock, I am done. But then sometimes in the afternoon, there are some good sessions, but I don't do it.
Okay.
But during that time I don't trade, I have my program running. It will catch all the trades and I can look it up later.
Are you saying that you're running it through automation and they're taking the trades, or you're just
No, 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 no.
acting? You're just
During the time
executing.
I am not trading,
Mhm.
it will lock the trades, but not trade.
Okay, so you're just keeping track of what the results
Yeah,
are.
that's
Yeah,
right, in
that's
real
smart.
time.
Good, good, good.
So that
That's
helps
excellent.
me to go and look at it during the night or the weekend, how it did.
Excellent. So considering your journey, well, actually, I
And
don't want to
then
interrupt you.
also slowly over the time, over the last few years, I also converted about 3/4 of my trading accounts or the amount into dividend income thingies. So that also helps me a lot now.
So could you go into that in a little more detail? You've grown your account to the point where you've been able to take profits out and then
It's a combination of my cash account and the other one is I really didn't grow, but then when I left the company, it's a 401k, right? So I manage that on my own now, right?
okay. how are you doing with your trading as far as where you kind of started and where you are now? I mean, do you, without getting into too many personal details, could you just talk a little bit about that trajectory? Anything else you'd like to share that you think would be helpful?
Yeah, at the beginning, I would lose a lot, but that one is all done about in the first 2-3 years, and then now I have kind of positive days and months. It also helped me, you're preaching that these days I don't have to worry about losing one single trade. I look at it the end of the week or end of the month. So that helps. If you worry about one lost trade, then it's a problem.
So you're talking directly about the metaphor I always use.
Yeah, that's right.
The trees are above the forest.
Trees and the forest, and then the other one is aiming for, now I get more than that, but if you do $5 a day per contract on a regular basis, what would happen? We should be able to visualize that kind of thing. So for that one, I made a spreadsheet like you told. That helps a lot too.
So how much a day? Did you mean $50 or five? You said $5?
No, that's the example, 5. No, I get more than that now.
Oh, okay.
And also, if I go positive in my trading, I can scale in. I have money that can do. If for that to happen, I have to have my stop break even or above.
Are you saying you add to your position?
Yes.
So if you're in a long trade, you break even, the price is going in your direction, then you will have places where you'll strategically add to your position.
If I add something, even after adding that, my stop has to be positive.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's good.
So that I do that too. Of course, UTI is one that's important. Other one was before capital flow worksheet. You know how you can increase your position sizes and go with that.
We just did a training on that just this last Saturday.
Yeah, that's right. So
yeah, were you on that? You didn't
on that Saturday? Yes, I was in there. It's about 400 people on that day, I guess.
I mean, I'm always the first to say if you're doing really well, you want to be very careful not to upset or change it.
Yeah, that's what. These days, I don't look for anything new. I just want to continue what I do. So
if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah, that's right. That's very much true in engineering also. During the day, whether I succeed or fail, I would sit in the night and going through over the day, looking at the charts and what went wrong and what I did right. That makes my confidence to go up a little bit. And then, trust your own plan that you have. For that one to happen, you still have to put some real money online. You can practice and do all the sim beforehand, but you still have to put some money in and then go along with that one to build that confidence. If you go to a 4-year college, how much money you spend? So if you lose a trade, take it as part of doing business. But then be happy that you followed what you had in mind, not changing anything, right?
Right.
So that kind of, when you go along, you learn a lot. Lose money and win money, and then anybody can win one trade, but then to do it consistently, it takes some time and effort. Some people come and they wanted to win or hit a home run on the first day. That doesn't happen.
For those considering taking our CEO Trader Mastermind program,
right,
which is following the framework of everything you've heard me talk about over the years,
right, yes,
stuff you've incorporated into your own training,
that's right,
level of success that you're at, what would you say to those traders?
For that one, you have to make it on your own.
Well, I know people that have given money to other people to trade for them and watch their account go down, 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 down.
Right.
Because the person doing the trading doesn't care. They don't have
Yeah, that's
skin
right.
in the
So
game.
there are so many websites out there, promoting or offering you what kind of not that great.
So if I'm somebody who's like, man, I got this mastermind program that TJ is offering, I don't know if I should do it or not, what would you say? Would you encourage them to take the mastermind?
Yes, that's without any doubt. Yes, but then they can take it, but at the beginning they need to know they have to do it on their own. You can teach them, but still they have to do it.
Trading doesn't happen by itself.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. If someone is depressed, you are living in the past. If someone is anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. Trading is like that. You have to live in the present because nobody knows what's going to happen in 5 seconds down the road.
Right.
Trading is also the same thing. Nobody knows we're going to live tomorrow or not.
Right.
Huh?
Yeah, it's a good metaphor.
For those out there listening to me and TJ and TJ's mastermind course, I have gone through with TJ in the last 5-10 years, listening to his ideas, concepts, and trading methods, and I am successful. I want to say, and you all can do it. You have to attend or take his mastermind and go with it. For prospective students, I have listened to TJ and followed his plans and also made my own plans based on his theories and concepts and everything. I am doing pretty good now. You all can do it too. Join his mastermind program and see it for yourself.
Like what compelled you to want to come on and talk with me today?
I'm not a very good public speaker, so that
You're great. You're doing fine.
I was born in Sri Lanka. I lived there for 20 years, 25 years. That you know where Sri Lanka is, India and that small island.
Yes.
When I came to US and other stuff in the offices, I was a little bit scared to talk in public. But anyway, I slowly learned. But both my daughters, they have pretty good US accent because they came here very young.
Well, your English is perfect.
Uh,
You speak well. Do you mind sharing about what you're making with your daily trade, your day trading? Not a specific number, but a general idea.
Yeah, today it was 1,500.
Okay, and is that a typical day for you, or would you call that?
We can call, but today is a good day because my bond trading went very well. So.
Oh, your bond trading went well, yeah.
A bond is I trade. My account can handle about 35, I guess, but I go with about start with 4 and maximum 10.
Contracts, you mean?
Bond, yes.
Of between 4 to 10 bond futures, 30-year bond future contracts.
Yeah, that's right. And look for about 5 ticks.
Oh, okay. And that's at 31.25.
31.25. That's a very you have to be you have to have enough money for that. But
totally.
But then bond also it moves a little bit different to. It doesn't move at all. Right? If you compare it to CL or something, it's a very slow mover.
Right.
But at like 8 o'clock for CL, that is my time. Bond also opening time, it moves a little.
Mm-hmm.
And also you can wait for the good, not good, but the reports. Reports moves bond.
The financial releases.
Yeah, that's.
And do you use Forex Factory for that calendar?
Yes.
Right. Something's just
and then 8 o'clock CL is a little bit today, just 1 and 1. CL, I don't trade many contracts. It's 1 or 2 only.
Mm-hmm.
Because it sometimes it slaps you on FS, Mm-hmm. But that's only 130, 140. Mm-hmm. That 250 there. And then ES also went in my favor, the very first trade today.
Oh, good. So you trade the ES as well.
The main ES opening time, 8:30 for me.
Hmm.
It depends. Sometimes I get into ZS, soybeans, or ES. Depends.
Gotcha.
ES today, 4 contracts. Oh, I lost my 4 contracts, 10 ticks.
Nice. That's good.
And it went against me only about 3 or 4 ticks. So that is very, very easy trading, that one. That finished in about what? Within the first 5-10 minutes is finished. But
Well,
I don't trade NQ these days.
yeah, it's pretty manic.
Yeah, very. Same with natural gas. Few years ago, I tried that, but now natural gas is also like NQ. It flies everywhere.
Well, especially with the Ukraine, the
Yeah, that's
war and all that. So, don't want to keep you too much longer, Miles. You've been so generous with your time. I really appreciate it. Are there any parting words or last minute words
No,
of wisdom
you have been generous with us every time you come into the Zoom room, trading room. So this is only 30 minutes, so no problem.
Well, thank you so much.
Sometimes you come in and the trading finished, and all your other teachings that helped a lot. Sometimes you stay until what? Sometimes my time 11 o'clock, so that will be 12 Eastern and all of those. No, so that's thank you for that. Yeah, for all these years. Yeah.
That's really kind of you to say that. Can I ask you just any parting words or words of wisdom you'd like to share with our listeners before we go?
What can I say on that one? Have your own plan, trust your plan, and stick to the plan.
That's pretty smart advice.
And today, I let my program still run until 3 o'clock ending time.
Mm-hmm.
Between 2 o'clock my time to 3 o'clock my time, it caught YM 150 points, but I don't trade it anyway, but it shows the program works. 2 o'clock is a good time. I mean, 3 o'clock Eastern is a good time looking for new trades for those who are trading in the afternoon.
Yeah.
And very similar, the indices around 8:45 is 8:45, 9:45 is a good time.
Mm-hmm.
So that 15-minute gap from 8:30 to 45 is my soybean time.
Good. So you can
If it's because soybean is only first 10 minutes or so, and after that it goes slow.
Gotcha.
If you catch the open in the right direction, you are lucky.
Yeah. That's what we do with counterpunch. You see it
Yeah, that's
all
right.
the time.
And yeah, all of those, I went through SST, but then PTU, counterpunch, trend jumper pro, all of them.
So you got all my stuff.
Yeah, that's right. For new folks out there who are coming into trading or who are thinking of trading, or even the older, other folks who are already trading, have your own plan, stick to your plan, never waver from that, and listen to TJ.
Good advice. Miles, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure speaking
Anytime.